In today's video, I'll show you how to optimize your WordPress website for search engines. First, choose a reliable SEO plugin. Top options include Yoast SEO, Rank Math, or All-in-One SEO. For beginners, Yoast SEO is highly recommended due to its easy interface and effective features. Next, install and activate your chosen plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click Plugins, then Add New, search for the plugin, click Install Now, and then Activate. Once active, explore the plugin settings or use its setup wizard to configure your SEO basics. Finally, remember that SEO is an ongoing process. Regularly create valuable content, monitor your site's performance, and tweak your strategies to improve your search engine rankings. And that's it. With these steps, your WordPress site is set on the path to better visibility and more visitors.